for to appeal once again the central government to expedite the political talks of UPF and KNO to bring immediate solutions of separate administration for Bukizzo tribals.
Hearing our sister, our mother, being treated like this in a very, very inhuman way. This is not human. This is not human nature. And this is not even how human being treat another human. So we want justice. We want the government to catch the crooked, the rapists, and do necessary action. This is us. Consoling them, fighting for them will never end. And we are here in tears, weeping for them. We are so sad. We plead to the government to do something, to look into this matter as soon as possible. This cannot be denied any longer.
We appeal the government to book the culprit within 48 hours unless the Kutu will compare to launch a very strong series of agitation in the days to come.